Hi guys, as you saw in the title of today's video, this is going to be a ultimate room makeover. I've been way overdue for this. As you can see with these before clips, room is just looking very sad lately, and I don't know, I felt like it was just time for a revamp. Huge shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to revamp my room with a bunch of really great items. I was so impressed by all of the random things that they had on their website for like home improvement and for this bedroom makeover specifically, like little organizers and just random things that I never knew I needed, but now I know I needed. Everything was so affordable, and I can't recommend this enough if you're trying to ball on a budget and, you know, do a little room makeover. So I'm super happy with the way everything turned out, and I can't wait to show you guys how I set everything up and what I chose and how it turns out. The first area of my room I knew I wanted to tackle was this shelf that has all of my perfumes, and they're kind of just everywhere, as you could see. I just felt like there had to be a cuter way of displaying this, so I went on Temu's website and I found this super cute, very aesthetic little acrylic organizer. And if it looks a little funny, it is supposed to have those like back legs, but I dropped a screw and I couldn't find it, and it still stood without them, so I decided to just use it without them, and I honestly think it looks kind of cool. But I just put my heavier perfumes on the bottom that I use the most, and then went lighter to lightest at the top since there was like no back legs, and then I didn't want it to topple over. Then I had this super cute little vintage strawberry mug that I thrifted from like a random thrift store a long time ago, and I had that on my shelf already, so I used that to store all of my travel size perfumes, and that is the finished product of my shelf. I think it turned out so good, and the shelf is literally so clear that it's like invisible, and it's just so pretty, and it just feels way more organized, and like I'm respecting my perfumes more than just throwing them on the shelf. The next thing I knew I wanted to update was my bed sheets. There's really nothing wrong with these, and like they're still in good condition and everything. They're just really old and they don't necessarily match. My bed sheets were kind of like a light pink color, and my pillowcases were also that weird light pink color, and then the blanket on top had this like interesting quilted pattern, which I don't know, it just felt very outdated to me, and I wanted something that was more clean and modern and that would look better for content and things like that, and just overall with the aesthetics of my room. So Temu had a bunch of different colors and options and styles for bed sets on their website, and I was so impressed by the selection, but I decided to opt for just like a plain white because I feel like it really opens up the room, and I am so happy with the way that this turned out. I did think it looked a little plain at first, so I added this throw blanket that I already had on hand over top, and I feel like this is just absolutely perfect and exactly what I envisioned. And you guys, Temu did not play about the quality of these sheets. Like, these are literally some of the softest sheets that I have ever slept in, and it's such a fluffy, luxurious comforter. I was so impressed. Next up, this was truly just a shot in the dark. I did not know if these would work for what I intended them to, but they ended up working out perfectly. These are purse hooks, and this is just one of those random things that Temu has that you didn't know you need, but now you know you need. I had this like awkward bit of space on this clothing rack in my bedroom, and I was wondering how I could fill it in a cute and useful way, and these purse hooks came in handy. Originally, I had purses just kind of like hanging around all over my room or shoved into this one big drawer in my dresser, but now they're all nice and hung up and organized and not getting ruined in my drawers, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. It's been such a game changer for keeping my purses organized and seeing all the ones that I have and getting all the use I can out of them. Here's what the before looked like: very boring, very sad, very empty, and then here's the after. 12 out of 10. I love. Next up, again, this is very random, but I was so geeked when I saw this on Temu's website. It was literally only like $8, and this is the iconic 8-ball rug that you see whenever you look up aesthetic bedroom pictures on Pinterest. I was so excited when I found this because I literally have had this rug saved to my Pinterest mood board for so long. It is so cute. I feel like it just adds a little fun element to my room. I didn't really have much decor before, so I think this is just such a cute way to spice up the room and just make it look more interesting. So, backstory on this, I literally got this desk from IKEA with the specific intention to get a vanity mirror, and I just haven't for like the past year that I've had it set up. So I finally got one from Temu because it was so cheap. I think this was like $20 or maybe cheaper, but this little mirror is the perfect size for my desk because it's already pretty small, so that's why I was kind of struggling to find one that I thought would fit. Now my desk can double as a vanity, and all you have to do is plug it in. There's different light settings, and this is so convenient if you want a little portable size vanity mirror. Next up, I got this over the door hook situation thing, and this is really simple but really helpful. There's literally no installation process. You just hang it over your door, hang your stuff on it, and it balances itself. It's so awesome. It's a great way to prevent yourself from hanging stuff on the door handles and breaking those down or causing clutter there, and I do that a lot, so this has been so helpful. That was it for the bedroom makeover items. I did get a couple random things that I'm going to show you guys for my trip for Japan. I already went and I'm back now, but this was filmed before I went. I used this soft set of travel bags for literally everything when I was there. Skincare, hair care, makeup. These were amazing and they cushioned everything, so nothing broke my suitcase. Next up, I've been really wanting bow hair clips, so I got this pack of 2. One's white, one's black, and this was just easy, simple to throw on. I used these all the time when I was in Japan. When I saw this giant pack of mini pink bow hair clips, I knew that I would need to get these for Japan as well, so I picked these up, and I also wore these a ton in Japan. They're so cute and also very easy to throw on because they have a little clip in the back. And lastly, I got this little fun rotating makeup organizer for all of my loose makeup in the bathroom. Right now, everything is literally just in my travel bag. I just thought this would be really nice and convenient to have everything have its own place and just not have it all thrown in a bag, because I feel like that just gets so messy, and I'm really excited to put all my makeup into this little guy. And that would conclude today's ultimate bedroom makeover with Temu. Huge shout out again to them for sponsoring today's video. I genuinely had so much fun making this video. This is my first time ever shopping from Temu, and I was genuinely shocked by how good the quality of everything was, especially for the affordable price point. I also have a very special deal for you guys. If you download the Temu app with the link in my description box, you're gonna get a $100 coupon bundle for free, or you could search up my code. I'll put it on screen here in the Temu search bar to claim your offer. This is such an amazing deal, so go run and get it while you can. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the video, and if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.